Ever since the Behringer wing was released, we've all been wondering, what the heck is this StageConnect on the back of the wing console? Well, yesterday we found out just what Clark, Technic, and Midas had up their sleeve. Well, you might be wondering, what is it? Well, it is a single XLR port on the back of the console that you can send power and 32 channels of I/O via one XLR cable. Now, this new technology will revolutionize the way XLRs are used in the future, in my opinion. It is a very cool technology. I personally have not had my hands on it yet. I am just going off of what I am able to find on Music Tribe's website and other resources like that. Now, a couple of technical specs for you. Now, you can send power over this single XLR port. You can send 32 channels of I/O. You can send MIDI control, and it is bi-directional, so you can mix and match those 32 channels to get the perfect I/O that you need. Now, you might be asking yourself, what are the different use cases for this? Now, they have a few different models of interfaces, and with that you can daisy chain these to get the perfect amount of I/O that you would need, as well as you could use one just for your outboard gear and your effects. You could have a separate wireless rack, or even have a playback system set up off of one of these as well. Now, as far as available units, so far we see three. The first one being the 4816i, which is 16 channels of input, and then you have 4816o, which is 16 channels of output, and then lastly you have 4888, which is a really cool little interface, which has 8 inputs and 8 outputs. As the time of this recording, I can see that everything is currently available and shipping as we speak. Now, before I move on, if you're getting any value out of this, please hit that like and subscribe button, as I will update you in the future if I get any more information about this, or if I'm able to get my hands on one of these interfaces, I will definitely be doing a review and setup video for you. As far as routing goes, it looks like it's going to be pretty similar to the AES50 routing that we're already used to. Instead of the AES50, you just click on the StageConnect, and then from there you can adjust your routing, much like everything else on the wing. Another tool you can utilize is the StageConnect calculator, which lets you virtually plan out your rig, and it will tell you the exact amount of I/O configuration that you would have and if that would work for you. Now, as you can tell, I'm only scratching the surface on what this technology is so far. I can't wait to see what this does in the future and the possibilities that this has opened up. Now, I hope you got value out of this, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.